Hello, Summer Intensive Studies students. We're excited to welcome you to Parsons at Open Campus in New York City. If you're watching this, you have successfully enrolled in an upcoming Summer Intensive course and have received an official letter of acceptance. Congratulations on completing the first step in this process. Within each acceptance letter, there's an embedded link to the SIS 2019 survey, as well as the student's unique net ID and N number. The first step in your SIS experience is to set up your password associated with the net ID, the 6 to 8 character portion preceding @newschool.edu on your email. This information can be found in your acceptance letter. Follow the external link to the account services page. Follow the steps to set up your password. Please make sure before completing this step that your child or parent has not already set up a password. Make sure the date of birth is written in American English format, month, date, and then year. If you have followed all instructions on this account services page and are still not able to reset the password, please contact IT Central at 212-229-5300 extension 4357 or itcentral@newschool.edu. Congratulations! You now have your password. Please write this down and save it, as you will need it to complete the remaining steps. The next step in your SIS experience is to reserve your new card student photo ID, which you will need to access buildings on campus. You will need your net ID and password for this step. Please follow the external link and follow the card services instructions. Once the new card application is completed, you will be provided at the bottom of your screen a unique tracking number to track the status of your photo. Please input this tracking number into the survey in order to move forward. You have made it to the health information and contact form portion of the survey. This is critical and confidential information required while students are on campus. Please complete all fields and enter NA in the fields if not applicable. You will then be prompted to review and agree to our program policies. Please read each step carefully and note that we have a zero tolerance policy towards drugs and alcohol on campus, meaning a student will face immediate termination from the program and will be asked to vacate university housing immediately. If you are a citizen or permanent resident of the United States, answer yes and proceed through the final steps to the end of the application. Please, make sure to click forward through each step of this survey until you get to the final screen. If you are an international student and answered no, after completion of this survey, you will receive instructions from our office on how to submit your English language proficiency documents and apply for an I-20 immigration form needed to obtain a student visa. For that upcoming step, please have your TOEFL, IELTS, or transcripts ready to submit. What if I haven't taken the test, you might ask? Please upload a confirmation letter, email, or screenshot of your upcoming test appointment. You can email the final results to summer@newschool.edu. What if I attended an international school, you might also ask? Please upload transcripts from the school if your primary language of instruction was English. Thank you for your time spent taking this survey. Again, we look forward to welcoming you to our Summer Intensive Studies at Parsons Open Campus.